This is going to be an oil change video for a 2015 Toyota Highlander. First thing we're going to do is remove the oil filler cap on top of the engine. Set that to the side. And we're going to go down to the bottom of the engine and find the drain bolt. As you see, it's right there. So once the oil is done draining, this is going to be the O-ring that goes around the bolt that ties into the bottom of the oil pan. As you see, it's just going to go onto the bolt and then screw it. Once the bolt's back in, you're just going to make it hand tight, and then we'll move to the oil filter. This is going to be pretty easy to take off. You just take your wrench, as I show you here, and then turn counterclockwise to get it to loosen up. So once you get it off, it's going to look like this. The filter just sits inside there. And you see it goes into that hole. And now we're just going to pop it out. Put the new O-ring on right here. And then we are going to put in our new filter. As you see, we got the new O-ring on. It's the black O-ring. We're going to drop in the filter like such. It's going to be a tight squeeze. Push it in, and then we're going to put it back in the car. And then tighten hand tight, and then 1/4 turn past, just like the oil bolt, and it'll be all set. Okay, so this has a V6, so it's going to be 6.4 quarts of 0W20. Go ahead and fill that up, and then you're all set. That's a wrap on the oil change. I hope it helped you out. Stick around for the next one.